Hello dear friends, I'm glad to see you again. We've done our first dictation and today we continue to learn numbers in Russian. Today we'll learn numbers from 20 to 100. It will be easy if we know numbers from 1 to 10 again. So we remember that to do numbers from 11 to 19, we plus to our numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, нацать, yeah? 1, 11, 5, 15, and so on. So to do numbers 20, 30, we plus to 2 and 3, цать, цать, 10 in Old Russian. 20, 20, 30, 30. 40 is exception, 40, 40. And then we plus to 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 10 is like 10, 10, 2, yeah, in Old Russian. So 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, and 90. 90, 90, 100, 100, 100. It's easy short word, yeah? 100 and 80, 90, 100. So now let's repeat. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. And please, once again, be careful with stress. 20, 30, 40, and then 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's all. I'm sure you will learn these numbers. And to do numbers like 25, we only name these numbers in Russian. 25, 25, 41, 41, 58, 58, 79, 79, okay? 106, 106. So that's easy. So now please learn these numbers and do our second dictation, where we'll have numbers from 1 to 10, from 11 to 20, and from 20 to 100. I'm sure you'll do your best. See you on our dictation. I'm waiting.